Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for tuning in. If you want to see how I achieve these two looks, stay tuned.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes. One love, swift love.
Make sure that you hit that subscribe button below so you can be posted on when I upload new videos. I don't always start my ponytails on stretched hair, but it just happened to be blow dried this week. I'm making sure to comb out any tangles so that my ponytail will lay flatter, especially because of my 4C hair. My roots need a little more TLC. I normally do hairstyles like this closer to wash day because of all of the products that I use. Once I have it all combed out, I take my blend of oils and put that all over my hair. It adds shine, plus it adds a base between my hair and all of the gel that I'm going to put on it. Next, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, and put that all over my hair and brush like there's no tomorrow. I'm also going to be using some of my Got2b holding gel, only a little, and put that all over as well. I don't normally use Got2b for my sleek ponytails unless I'm in a rush and I need super hold fast. I'm using my cut scrunchie versus a regular scrunchie because I can manipulate the ponytail a lot easier, and my hair honestly just doesn't get as sleek with a regular ponytail holder. But this is definitely my preference. Use whatever works best for your hair. And I'm just going to take a few bobby pins to secure the scrunchie in place.
Don't affect me. A dope dark skin dealer like Wesley. New Jack City, but I'm on a jet ski. I'm that nigga if you trying to.
I'm going to take my even edge control and attempt to lay these baby hairs down. And I say attempt because baby hairs aren't really my specialty, but best believe I can do the bare minimum.
Open wide bitch. She go that is my bitch.
I'm going to put on my silk scarf to let my hair set, and I make sure to use one for the front and the back so that I get the entire ponytail sleek. I leave them on for about an hour or so. I'm going to braid my hair into 2 sections to get it ready for the ponytail. Once it's braided, I wrap them into a little bun and put a scrunchie around it.
It's elevates on the beat.
So here's the actual ponytail. It's the sensational synthetic hair drawstring ponytail, natural perm, yaki, and 30 inches. And as I stated before, I got it from my local beauty supply store for around $10 to $12. I really love this ponytail, guys, because the texture looks so natural and it takes no time at all to put it on. The ponytail has 2 clips along with the drawstring. Making sure that the side with the tag is in the back of the bun, I'm going to clip the ponytail on and tighten it with the elastic. I'm wrapping the elastic around the bun to hide it and then pinning it in place. Now for the fun part. I got these hair rings from Amazon for $6, and I'm just going to put them in a semi-straight line going up the back of my hair. I say semi-straight because I was doing it using my mirror and my fingers, and I know that it's a little crooked, so don't judge me. If you have somebody in your house, I would definitely recommend you to ask them for help in order to get it perfectly straight. My mirror clearly wasn't enough based off of the crookedness of these rings, but you know what? We're just gonna push through and do what it do. The rings are really easy to use. You want to make sure that you aren't pulling them open side to side, but instead front to back, if that makes sense. Even though the ponytail covers the back of my head, the rings add a little extra to the hairstyle. I only use 3 for this, but feel free to use as many as you want. This completes the first look, guys. For the second look, I'm going to be doing the bun that Ella May did in her boot up video. I'm going to just wrap the hair around itself until I like the bun and pin it in place. Then I'm going to place the hair rings all over the bun. Hit my line one time and you know you can come true. Don't you dare try like, 'cause it's me. Some of the rings come with these plastic stars, but once you open the ring, you can take them off. You know, see me like you. So that daddy ramping thing, call me when you want to. Hit my line one time and you know you can come true. Don't you dare try like, 'cause it's me that you're onto. And you know that me want you.
I know that you want me, but I want you.
And here's the second look, guys. This ponytail is so versatile, and I low-key feel like it makes me look so grown. For less than $12, that's definitely more than worth it. That's all for this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts below. Thumbs up this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to see when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!